Be awesome to grow one of these males up 18 months from now if we get, you know, something like that as a male. Grow it up and just plug it into a nice tiger titanium girl or something and make sunfire, platinum, plutoniums. That's not gonna be cool. It's so fun how far the retics are going. Sun platy. These are a lot of eggs. You know, why don't we do this? We've got 2 clutches that just hatched recently of retics, some really nice ones. I got some albino sunfires that are 100% het for snow with dwarf and super dwarf in them, and then I've got some sunfire titaniums, which is, wow, these are beautiful. I think that's a platy sun tiger. Good looking snakes. Anyway, I got 2 clutches of snakes up here. Todd, can you grab those and pull them down so we can take a look at these guys? All hatched like a few days ago. They haven't had their first shed yet, but you always want to do updates, so we'll give you
bring them
that.
down on the ground?
Yeah, you can just set them down here so we can take a look. Now these are 100% het for snows, so you can use one of these and make yourself sunfire snows, and they're dwarf and super dwarf influence mixed in there, and so there's albinos. They're all het anery, sunfire albinos. Give us some good odds. Those are nice snakes. And then what's that other? There's another clutch that's right above them. Woohoo! Look at this snake. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Look at that. Not a tiger. See the stripe all the way down the nose? No tiger in it, but that's definitely got to be a sun platy citron. And then here's what they look like when you get the titanium out of them. There's some titanium citrons. Look at these crazy super tigers. This one's got arrowheads patterned down the bottom. That's a citron. That's a citron sunfire albino right there. These eggs I'm cutting don't have any albino, but look at this one. Beautiful plutonium. Really orange. I don't think it's a sun. Hey, I don't think this one's a sunfire, but he's got a lot of that influence from his siblings. What's that? What's hiding under that water bowl over there? Yeah, see, now that's a sun tiger citron, and basically what we're trying to do is add platinum to that over here. Oh, and it looks like I got it right on this one. That looks like it too. They're such clean snakes, though. I don't know.
Okay, you're coming to my eggs, though. My eggs are one in the corner.
Which one? Over here?
Yep, that's the one I picked.
That's Todd's pick. Let's see what we get. Something crazy.
Probably something more expensive than.
Hey,
Oh, that's sick.
Come on out. Get some breath. This is a platinum. Right there. And that's what they look like when they hatch. You can see the orange and colors on them and stuff. But platinums are beautiful, beautiful snakes when they grow up. And he won't show any of that color for a while yet.
Garrett coming out. Garrett.
What? Hey, where are you going? Can you put those ones away for me? There's your update video, guys. If you want more than that, you just have to come to the store. Ask for me, I'll show you around.
Ow, little sucker.
So now this guy's got a big yolk sac and he is just stuffed in there. Come on, kid. Goofy little snake. Still alive. Let's give him the best chance that we got. Let's see. Oh, that's a nice dark one. So that's a sunfire. Sunfire citron. Cool little bullseyes down the tail. Even the sunfire citrons, just like that, are exceedingly rare still. And they make the sunfire titaniums, which we've only had 2 clutches of. The one that you guys just saw, and then 1 clutch that we did a little bit earlier. Beautiful platinum citron.
Come on, really?
Let's see here. You're a popular guy, Todd.
You know.
They're calling you about the live stream. They want.
Yeah, that's what it is.
They're trying to all
Patch me
predict
in.
what your egg is going to be. We're moving closer to over there.
It's exactly it. The whole world would like to know.
Yep. Beautiful sun platy tiger, I think. Could be just a sun citron tiger. Citron and the platinum are actually fairly similar genes in a lot of ways. Other than, of course, the citrons make titanium. Oh, look at that. This thing's like peach. Look at this snake, guys. Super clean. That's gotta be it. The white spots are up high like a citron there. That's the citron sun platinum tiger. Good morning. Little cutie. So I think we got at least two, because there was that one and then this one here. Of course, this one might not have sunfire in it. That might just be the citron platinum tiger. It's pretty speckly, and see how clean this one is and how speckled that one is. I don't know. That might be the snake right there. Of course, we haven't got to your egg yet, Todd.
It's true.
Every now and then we get something crazy, like that infamous clutch where we bred an albino tiger to a ivory, and we got a leucistic, and we got a platinum tiger albino in it. Yeah, see, there's a platinum tiger citron. These two look the same, and I think that's the sunfire platinum tiger citron. I don't know if you guys can see that. That is going to be a killer snake.
There you go.
Remember, these just don't have any color yet. Wait till they grow up.
This is the egg.
Here we go. It's definitely a big egg. It's a juicy egg.
Well, I'm not really that small, so.
Is that why you picked it?
That's right.
Ah, it looks like another one. We got the trips over here. The triplets. Another platinum tiger citron.
That's mine.
Look at that thing.
Well,
Look at that snake.
actually, it's not mine because now I can't have it.
What a beautiful snake. Yeah, you were hoping it would be cheaper, huh? But yeah, there's the platinum ones. Here's the sunfire platinum. Look at that snake. Super clean, just a blank canvas for all that color to come in as he starts to eat and grow up and everything else. Hey, cutie.
I had to pick a 15
Beautiful snake.
snake.
And here's the sun platy citron right here without the tiger. Good looking snakes. Awesome. Awesome looking snakes. What a clutch. That is so much fun. You gotta love the Codom morphs. Especially once they start stacking up and doing weird things. Oh, my legs are asleep. But I'm gonna go put these guys back in the incubator until they absorb their yolks. And then we'll set them up in a little tub and until they shed out, and then get them all in their own things. And then you guys can give me a call and bring your checkbooks. All right, thanks for coming, guys. We got one more clutch to pull, but we're going to do it in front of the kids in the zoo just to have a good time. So all you kids at home, have a good time. Thanks for checking in.